If you think about it, there is already a proliferation of AI applications that are there at the branch. In fact, when we looked at an install base of more than 200 customers with at least a minimum of thousands devices, we found overwhelmingly across all deployment types that they have almost 95% of their bandwidth was basically being consumed by just AI applications. So given that there is a lot of AI applications already deployed, a lot of these applications today tend to be more Gen AI applications. We do need to ensure that there is a appropriate WAN environment that is built in order to address these AI applications. What do I mean by that? If you think about it, when we send a response or query to a AI application, it does, or there is a sense of expectation that the response is equally fast. And given that that is the expectation from the end user, the network needs to cater to that. So we need to ensure that the network has low latency capabilities, or if the network doesn't, you need to have an overlay technology such as from VeloCloud that you can basically correct that. The second property that we've generally seen with AI applications are that they consume a lot of bandwidth. So generally, when you think about running and deploying these applications, it's important to size your bandwidth. Gone are the days where you would have an asymmetric bandwidth of large volumes of downloads and a small volume of upload. The amount of data that is sent for basically processing through these AI applications matches the amount of data that's basically coming back. So it's more symmetric bandwidth that we end up seeing. And then also the traffic is very bursty in nature. You're not going to expect a steady state of AI queries and responses. It is when you need something, you see that burst in traffic. So given all of these properties, understanding how AI applications work, WellCloud was basically built to address these type of capabilities. And that's how we're basically seeing these things come through.